What I'm going to be doing here today is making a tool to crimp one of these connectors here. If you ever had one of these and you put it on your connector there and you squeeze as tight as you can, and then sometimes your eyelet still will pull out of there. What I'm going to do is take this little piece of pipe here, weld a little handle on it, then drill a hole in here and tap it, so when I put my eyelet in here I can go and run a strong bolt down in there and go ahead and crimp this. Okay, got a handle welded on there. I'm going to take a center punch here because I found a bolt. Happens to be a 8mm by 1.25. I'm going to go and punch a hole here. Then I'm going to take a drill bit and then run my tap down through there. A little handy chart here. For 8mm by 1.25, I need a 17/64 drill bit. Okay, now that I got that tapped in there, I'll put my bolt in there. Now there'll be plenty of room to run our wire and our connector there. We'll just cinch this down. It'll crush that and secure our wire in our connector. Okay, want to put a second crimp on there. Did wreck the plastic a little bit. We'll just put a little glue in there. That'll be fine. It's nice and strong. You can use this for battery cable ends that you have to repair. I think it works pretty good.